Hey guys, Dave with Hydrographics here. Hey, we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do an unboxing. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick and tired of getting boxes shipped in that they're paint, and if they're sent USPS or even UPS or FedEx, they got fragile on them. They try to let everybody know that, you know, need to take a little care of it, but they don't, and they don't give a crap. So this is a box from Jason, one hit wonder. It's got a special right now, guys, just to let you know. It's 5 colors: black, white, red, blue, and green, red, blue, and yellow. What's your primary colors? Red, blue, and yellow. With those colors, you can make 17 colors. Anyway, so I bought the kit. Now he's got the minis, which are the half quarts, 5 colors, 75 bucks. Shipping is, I think, 20 bucks. Give me 95 bucks and you can pretty much make 17 colors, not to mention custom colors, okay? I went and bought the full kit, which is the quarts. That's only $175 for 5 quarts, which is a pretty good savings on $25 for shipping. So anyway, let's take a look and see what we've got in here. See if we got successful shipping. See, there's no big corners bent. We're doing pretty good so far. Usually the first thing I look at is the box. If the box is crushed in the corner. Alright, we've got some nice packing here. Now look what we've got in here. Look what these guys do. I don't know who does this, if it's Jason or Carrie. But you see how nice that is? They take the time to wrap each individual quart. It's just some inexpensive paper, but the box is tight. There isn't a dent on the can. Oops, I almost put a dent in it right there. Perfect, perfect. Even the corners where you hit the bottom, nothing. So, every one of them is in excellent shape. So either the guys from UPS, I think this is UPS shipment. Let me double check here. Give them shout out to whoever got it over here. This is UPS, so kudos to UPS for doing a nice job on this. But just a little extra like that. Anyway, there's nothing worse than getting a smashed in upper corner. Not so bad on the bottoms, but when this part gets dented, it's really tough to seal the product again. They also put these protectors on the outside too. Give a little extra protection right there. You do a nice job. Okay, inside the box, all we've got is the kit mix ratio. Okay, let me get this close to you guys so you can see. All right, he's got 12 colors here, plus the 5 colors there. You've got your 17 colors. Okay, that makes sense. But what he does, let me see if I can show you this. He's got the breakdown in percentages. See that? On how to make each individual. So if you want to do some typhon, 48% black, 50% white, and 2% yellow. Pretty sneaky. Okay, here it is. Alright, well, it was in the paper over here. Okay, what he also gives you is a graduated measuring cup here and a syringe. Now, the syringe would be used for certain ratios that say, let's see if I, right here it says 1 drip of blue, 1 drip, okay? Boy, I don't know if there's any more of them that say drips. Not that I can see right here. This says 1% red. I mean, you're talking about small colors. Now you have graduated mixing cup here in tens. So you can figure 54, 55 kind of by looking at the increments on it, I guess. This is measured by volume and not weight, even though I was going to call them up and find out if I can measure it by weight, because they're all the same paint. You'd think you'd be able to measure them by weight also. Anyway, I'll get into that with him and we'll get a clarification. But what we want to do is mix up some colors. We'll play around with these 5 colors. We've got black, white, yellow, red, and blue. And we can make ATAX, multicam, muddy girl, all your camo colors, your army greens, king shadow, some of your TWN colors. Guys, if you ever get a project, it's happened to all of us. Customer wants this film, and you know that film looks best in this base, and you don't have any base. Anyway, I've got everything I need right here in 5 colors to pretty much do anything I want. So when I come back, we're going to mix up some colors here and see if we can actually make the Muddy Girl pink. And maybe we'll do some Typhon. Okay, I've got the spray cans of it, and we'll kind of shoot them next to each other and see how close we get to it. Okay, this is David Tsunami Hydrographics. We're out.